Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Unitron World Portable Charger Power Bank. Specs for you. First, it is a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, ultra slim, 0.9 centimeters. That is the big draw of this thing. Very, very slim and also very stylish with its outer casing here. Definitely more of a decorative power bank than others. I've used this power bank for a little while and I really like it. It's really stylish. It's more about style though than actual like power bank usage. If you want a power bank and you want to make it look good, the Unitron World Power Bank is for you. It comes with one USB out, a micro USB in, and if you turn it on, it lets you know the capacity right here. I charged it fully with the Bioenno Power Solar Energy Generator. If you want to see a review of that, please look for a link in the description below. I'll be more than happy to send you there so that you can see that. But everything we charge here is with solar power whenever I can. And this Unitron World Power Bank has just been excellent. Really, really portable and slim for that quick, fast charge that you need on the go. It does a lot better than those bulkier, bigger power banks. I save those more for when I'm traveling in the car. When I'm on the go and I want something in my pocket ready to charge, I use the Unitron World Power Bank. Charge and use this honestly as like any other power bank. Really easy, just pop the USB in. I use USB-C to connect to my Android phone. So it's at 24%, and let's see how long it takes to get to 25%, starting now. Just got to 25%, and that's in 15 seconds. So that's pretty fast. It's not super fast charging. I know that the battery on my phone is, pretty old, so it's not holding the capacity it used to. But that's why you need something like a power bank like this for older phones. When the batteries are starting to lose their charge and you're not replacing the battery because you're holding out for a new phone like I am, you can use this to supplement your power during the day. And this has been nothing but great, stylish, and awesome. I do recommend the Unitron World Power Bank if you're looking for something that's stylish, on the go, slim profile, easy to use, and again, looks great when you're out and about. Pros about the Unitron World Power Bank: it's small, it's slim, it's stylish, it looks good, and it charges just like it needs to on any device. Cons: honestly, if you're not about style and you're about function, there are bigger power banks out there. There are ones that have two USB outs instead of just one. And there are ones that obviously have more capacity than 5,000 milliamp hours. But again, to make it a slim profile and stylish, they had to make it 5,000 milliamp hours to fit in this size. So it's both a con but also a pro, because it depends on what you want to use your power bank for. If you have multiple power banks like me, you might want to have this one to look a little more stylish while you're on the go and be able to put it in your pocket a lot easier than others which are bigger. So it's not a big con at all. It's just basically style over some functions that you might get with bigger power banks that are more bulky. If you'd like to purchase your Unitron World Power Bank, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.